Hi, welcome to ecopenny, where we're saving the earth one tip at a time. This video is going to go over safety at home for things like gardening and power tool usage. Especially with this COVID-19 situation, a lot of people are stuck at home, spending more time physical distancing away from others. So it's a good time to get out into the garden or into the workshop and get little projects done, which have been on the back burner for a while. But we've got to be safe, we've got to protect our hands, our eyes. So the last thing you want to do is put strain on the medical and health system by having an injury which is easily preventable, and you're taking up all their resources. So we'll start with weeding. I think weeding the lawn and the garden, how hard is that? But you actually need gloves to protect your hands, and either clear or tinted sunglasses. So if it's sunny, have the tinted ones, protects your eyes from the UV, and also any vegetable matter that can just flick out towards you. It's good to have a knee pad. So if you're getting weeds out of the lawn, sometimes you've got a hard one and it flicks, and you can have stuff flicking towards your face, so it's very important to protect your eyes. So with our lawn mowing, similar thing, gloves for your hands, safety glasses and tinted if it's sunny, protect your eyes from flying debris and your UV light, hat as well if it's sunny. I've got an eco-friendly battery powered lawnmower. It's a Ryobi one. So it has these rechargeable batteries. Not as noisy as your petrol powered ones, and no fumes or anything like that when you're mowing. So with your garden line trimmers, they do the edges of the lawns, stuff like that. Recommend your glasses, gloves, and also a face shield as well, just to protect your face from flying debris. Sort of a dual sort of protection. For your drills, recommend ordinary safety glasses. So if you're more heavy duty equipment, got a Dremel, does a little bit of fine angle grinding, and you've got a bigger angle grinder here. These can send out a lot of sparks, especially if you're doing metal, which just sprays out everywhere. So for those, I recommend your safety glasses, face shield, also some heavy duty gloves. If you're doing the angle grinder, try and have a long sleeve shirt on, it's even better too. So keep safe out there everyone, follow your government's physical distancing rules, wash your hands whenever you've been touching public services, and enjoy the extra time at home. Getting my penny farthing for the waste art under construction. Still got a bit more to do on it. So enjoy the time at home, enjoy the extra gardening, and just be safe. See you next time.